Jammu and Kashmir top cop now calls the Riyasi attack as Pakistan-sponsored. That's the big news that we have here. The Jammu and Kashmir top cop says Pakistan terrorists opened fire. These are Pakistan-sponsored terrorists. They've received local help. Jammu and Kashmir top cop stating that these pilgrims were targeted all to incite communal hate and violence and to create a fear psychosis along the area where people go in for their pilgrimage. In fact, the top cop says and calls out Pakistan, claiming that this is undoubtedly Pakistan-sponsored terror. Jammu and Kashmir top cop saying that the Pakistan-sponsored terrorists opened fire. They received local help to carry out this terror strike. 9 people have been killed. Very unfortunate to see a young boy, 2-year-old toddler, Titu Sahani, not even from Jammu and Kashmir, in fact. He hails from Madhya Pradesh, is what we hear. Rajasthan. The family members are based in Rajasthan and they had come in for a pilgrimage and they got caught in this terror attack. Let's cut across, though, to what the Jammu and Kashmir top cop said.
Well, this was surely a very unfortunate terror attack, and as we have been saying that these are foreign terrorists who have somehow managed to come inside and with the help of an extremely handful small group of agents, they are managing to somehow survive in jungle hideouts, avoiding the population, but eventually they are here to disrupt the overall environment of the control and the order and the peace and the security that we have been striving to get back.
Sir, how many terrorists were involved in this terror attack that took place yesterday, and were all these terrorists Pakistani terrorists?
Well, you see, the number of terrorists roughly is around 4. There could be an associate who perhaps can be a +1, but that is the size that as of now we come to know of it, and our efforts are on now to get at them. Since these are operational details, these CRPF and the police are now determined to see that the group is hunted down. So we are trying our best to see that the group is neutralized.
So all these terrorists were Pakistani terrorists? You have any information about that?
You see, immediately after the attack, the known media outlets of the terrorists, they all, especially the PAFF, and there are other media fronts of these terrorist outfits, they immediately claimed that it is their act, and they said that one of them even said that it was in response to some, alleged blasphemous act in the valley. So there is little doubt that it is a Pakistan-sponsored foreign terrorism, which they would like to, somehow or the other, make it communal, make it community versus community. And they're choosing the places and choosing the targets that way. But we are equally determined, and people of this place are equally determined. J&K police is a composite force, and we have men from all communities, and they have fought everywhere as one force, irrespective of the affiliation. So we are determined that we will, with the help of the villages and our police force, will be able to get them.
Sir, since Hindu pilgrims were targeted by the terrorists, so are you trying to say that terrorists want to, stoke communal tension in Jammu region?
Yes, I would say certainly that is one of their aim, and it is to the credit of the people of Jammu that while the forces and the police and the paramilitary is fighting, they are certainly seeing that it is the effort of the security forces. So the objective is what you said, and it is to the credit of the people that they would not like this to be sabotaged by the enemy.
Sir, this attack that has taken place in Riyasi, do you think that it's somehow aimed at also sabotaging the upcoming Amarnath Yatra?
Well, if you look at their statements which they have put out in their social media platforms, they have been indicating a couple of times that they would go for. They have no scruples. They have attacked tourists. They have attacked laborers, completely hapless laborers who earn their livelihood on a daily basis. No enmity with anyone. So, I mean, the scope, they have lowered themselves to the possible lowest denomination, I mean, when it comes to choosing their targets. Completely hapless, soft, defenseless. So they would pick up their target.
Sir, have the security forces been able to establish any contact with the terrorists who carried out this attack?
Now, this is a matter of details, of operational details. I think that is where we should stop.
Sir, is it the same group that is active in the south of Pir Panjal region, Rajouri and Poonch district?
There are a couple of groups. Again, these are issues where operational details, I think that should be sufficient.